Hello designer, welcome back to DesignCoach. In this tutorial, we are learning typography. Typography plays a crucial role in creating a visual stunning and effective design. In this Figma tutorial, you will learn how to master typography to craft professional, consistent and accessible text styles for your projects. Good typography elevates your designs and ensure it communicates effectively in entire your project. So let's friend start with the typography. We defined the colors for our tutorial web design. Now we are defining the typography. For the typography, I just duplicate this and removing these colors. Now I just give the name of the page typography. Now what exactly we need? We need H1 to H6 text style. So for this defining the text style, I am using the golden ratio typography calculator, and also one tools available is type scale. Whatever you will be use, it's up to you. I am using the golden ratio typography. So the base font size is my 16 and content width is 1140. It's a based on bootstrap width, so I just put the randomly 1140 content width, and based on this it will give me a calculation of, see, heading size 1 2 3 and 4, till the 4 it will give us. But here you can see the h1 is 42, 33, 26, 20, 16 and 13. So let's we just use this golden scale in our h1 to h6. So first I create heading h1. For this I need a 42 pixel. So I go here and use the 42 pixels font size. If you want to be bold, then it will be semi bold, and bold you can select. And our font is Inter. Now I'm going to here define a style text. In this we just give the name heading h1 for the page title, and defining here 42, and we need a bold and font size is 42. Create style. So here is our first headings h1, and I am just defining this and go to and declaring our headings here h1. Click. See, now our first text style is ready. It one for HTML. Now I am creating for H2, H3 and H4. I just go here and creating style H2. If you create, let me it is to edit enter, and we go here 33 is our font size. So we just 33 calculated, and we need a bold and create a style. So see, the h2 is created, but it will be create and outside of the our heading. So I just drag and pull it here, so it will be show our h1 h2. And if you want to be create heading under this group, we just click here, create a style heading h3, define it. And for the h3 we use 26, go here and 26, font weight bold and apply. So h3 also ready. Again I just go to the heading group and creating style under h4. For the h4 20, we use 20 pixel and font weight bold and create. For the 16 pixel for h5, now again I'm go create h5 based font 16 and creating bold style. if you want to be create h1 2 h5, it's enough for in your web designing. For the h6 is a very lower level of headings, so might be there are no use of these headings, and we are arranging at least our design h1 to h3 or at least in h5. So this our heading styles. Now we are creating a body text for our web design. We are creating the body text. For the body text, we just go to the style, create one group for the body, and I just declare the first body text LG. In the LG I use the 18 pixels, which is the more bigger than more big than base font styles, and we want regular. Create style. After creating this body group, I just create body MD. MD will be our default font size, base font size, call it. Use for body text and regular. Create a style. Now I'm creating body SM. Body SM we create 14 pixels, so it will be lower than our base font size. Just create style. These three font size will be help us, but if somewhere we want to be add smaller text like in the meta text like a date and something small text, we just create SM text, body SM small text, and declaring is a 12. Create. Oh, this one I make mistake. Two times we creating SM. I just go here, change the name access. Access will help us to be create a small font size. So in this we created typography for headings and body text. Now we are declaring it in our typography guidelines. So here is the first h1. Now I'm just go here h2, changing the style h2, duplicate this, change the text h3, declare the h3 in the h4. Now I am declaring h4, and at the last h5. Okay, so this our typography h1 to h6 declare. Now we have a body text. For the body text we use lorem ipsum text, some dummy text we just copy from the lorem ipsum, so it will be help us to be set as a body text. Copy, paste. Okay, in this we declare the body text. So first we need body LG. Now again I duplicate this and use body MD as a default, body SM, body access. After declaring these properties, we group them individually, so it will help us to. So body LG 18 pixels. I just select this both and convert into auto layout. Again I use this text and paste it here, and this one is our 16 pixel body MD, body SM. At the last we have a small text, so we just select two and access, and I convert this both. I just use some headings for the same. Go to here and I'm using 20 pixels headings for that same. This group, this group, this group, and this group. converting this into auto layout, and the main title we change it bold headings. See, so this one our heading title used for our design. So our typography is set up almost near to finishing. We are completed. Now, if you watch my video and if you like my videos, please subscribe to my channel and comment the below so we can get the ideas how you like my videos, and I can make my video more useful to you and creating the value for you. In the next video, we are trying to declare this color and typography in our wireframe layouts. So let's next video. Thank you for watching my video.